Welcome to Electron Online, and here we're going to talk about the Big Bang. Now, what is the Big Bang? Well, it turns out for many years, actually for centuries, people have tried to figure out how the universe became what it is today, how the universe started. And for the last 100 years or so, some theories came about that began to point us towards something that happened a long time ago in a cataclysmic event that now is termed the Big Bang. But it wasn't easy to come to that conclusion. A lot of people were wrong about their assumptions and came up with some good ideas but didn't necessarily pan out. Even Einstein didn't think that the universe started as a Big Bang. After they discovered that the universe seemed to be expanding, Einstein even thought that perhaps it was something was being generated at the center of the universe and then expanding outward, and we're just simply seeing a result of that it was just a continual thing. He couldn't imagine that the universe at some point started out of maybe nothing and then became what it is today over a long period of time, over which the universe expanded and became what it is today. So because of a number of observations, we began to realize that no, Einstein may be wrong on this one. It may have started with some sort of cataclysmic event that we currently call the Big Bang. Now, of course, there's a lot of misassumptions about the Big Bang. It wasn't that there was a big explosion and all of a sudden stars just came into being. It was actually a very interesting process, and slowly over the years, by making these interesting discoveries, we've been able to piece together what we think the Big Bang was. What we do know today, and in large part because the Hubble Space Telescope, because that Space Telescope enabled us to make some observations that enabled us to calculate the approximate age of the universe. And currently our universe is about 13.8 billion years old. And so what we can do now is try to go backwards in time based on the observations that we make and put all the pieces of the puzzle together. And based upon that, something amazing did happen about 13.8 billion years ago. Something that is akin to a large explosion, but not quite a large explosion. And so we're going to systematically figure out how people came to the conclusion that they did and how they finally termed and coined the term Big Bang and what it really means. And it's an amazing story of our universe. So if you're interested in this, then start watching these videos and find out how we figured out how the universe started and why we're pretty sure that it did the way we think it did. So stay tuned and sit back and enjoy.